Welcome everyone. In this video, we will be discussing bearish ideology. So, concept for bearish ideology is very simple. What we look for is liquidity, as in retail positions, in the form of equal highs, right? And what we would like to see is a very strong impulse up above those equal highs in the form of a wide range bodied candle or a spike, a long wicked spike above equal highs, capturing liquidity, and then an aggressive impulse to the downside. And just by knowing that, we know that the banks have captured liquidity and changed direction and sentiment. So if you look at this example to the right here, you can see that this bullish wide range body was the candle that captured liquidity. And then we have this impulse down. So what we look for after that is a correction back up into that wide-ranged body bullish candle to find our optimal entry for sell positions.